Hey Swing Trading family, this is Super Swing Trader. I hope you are doing well. Today we're going to take a look at some charts and see where we can identify supply and demand zones and trade it for income. Before I do, if you're new to this channel, here I talk about swing trading using the rules of supply and demand and technical analysis to trade with the big banks, hedge fund managers, and professional traders, and not against them. If that's something you're interested in, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. Also, drop a comment below. Let me know, have you guys placed any trades and have you made any money with swing trading using supply and demand yet? Comment below yes if you have and no if you haven't. I really appreciate your comments because it helps me tailor my content to best serve you. Apart from that, let's get right to evaluating the charts. Okay, today we're going to take a look at chart Urban Outfitters. This is a US stock, ticker symbol URBN. Alright, on the left hand here, this is the weekly chart. Every candle is 1 week. On the bottom right hand corner here, every candle is 1 month. And on the upper right hand corner here, every candle is 3 months. It's a very long term chart. We're trading these long term charts because these are where the big banks and institutional players are. They're not trading the 1 minute, 5 minute charts. They're trading these larger charts, slowly buying and building up their positions over time so that regular traders like us won't know where they're buying, so that we can't buy with their momentum. But if you study the supply and demand trading methodology, you can spot these reversals and buying institutions and trade with them. Okay, so on the right hand corner here, we see that price back in 2014, it made a dip and then it rallied up. It created a supply zone here. I'm sorry, demand zone here. And price went through. Price actually retraced right here, rallied, and then it came back because since it absorbed all the buying orders already down here, then the next time it comes through, it just went right through it like butter. And that's what we expect. We only want to go long on demand zones that hasn't been tested yet. If it's been tested, then yes, it can work, but it's gonna be lower odds, as you can see in this example. So then we have demand down here for sure. So demand zone is down here, and price dropped into this demand zone, so we can see if it will be able to come back up. But this is demand zone. We can wait for confirmation down here. Okay, on the weekly chart, on the monthly chart, let's take a look at it bigger. So you can see that there's supply zone up here. Supply zone up here, and there's definitely a demand zone down here. And there's another demand zone down here. And you notice that this demand zone is the same as this one and this one as well, but this one is in the wicks of this candle, but this one is like right at the proximal line of this candle. So if price decides to, no matter what, we have to wait for confirmation just because price is moving down. But if it bounces here, then we can go long, or else if it breaks through this demand zone, then we have to wait down here to buy. And let's take a look at the daily. Daily created a supply zone here. but price is holding. Price is holding right here. Okay, so if price breaks this weekly demand zone, then we have to look to go long down here. So if price drops down, then we have to wait to go long down here. But down here, price is not really, it's good, but it's not really that strong. We're expecting price to reach this area, maybe do something like this, and then we want to see it retrace, and then we go long. So when price does this, it's gonna create another demand zone here, and that's when we go long. So let's see if price will bounce. Let's see if price will bounce here and then go up, and then we'll buy its retracement. That's what we use to wait to see if price is gonna make a move. Otherwise, price could just drop down here and then drop all the way down here and then decide to go up. So we must wait. We must be patient and wait. Just because this monthly demand zone has been, it penetrated it pretty deep. So hopefully it could still work, but we just need confirmation on this entry time frame. I hope that helps. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button and also click that little bell icon. Then that way you'll get notified of the next video that I publish. Thanks again for watching.